Hi, welcome to this video. This video is about how to install or upgrade to the new versions of Java and Eclipse in simple and easy steps. The first step is to uninstall any previous version of Java. Go to Control Panel, go to Program and Features. Over here, if you find any previous versions of Java, just uninstall it because we need to freshly download and install Java again. So the next step would be to download the latest Java and Eclipse versions. So let us do that. Go to Google, type download JDK. You can see the first link for downloading the JDK is provided by oracle.com. Java is a product that is developed by Oracle. So the latest versions will be available on oracle.com. So let us click on it. Java SE 14 is the latest version. So let us click on JDK download. When we scroll down, in this page we will find the required jar file to download, which is 64-bit JDK version in a zip file. I'm going to download this in desktop and click on save. So my jar file is getting downloaded. As you can see, my zip file got downloaded. So let us go to the desktop and I'm going to extract this folder. Click on extract. You can see that I have extracted my JDK folder on the desktop. Now let us download the Eclipse latest version. And over here you can find the eclipse.org download section. Accept the cookies. Just go to download packages. This is the latest version. And over here you can see Eclipse is provided for various uses, but you have to download the Eclipse IDE for Java developers 64-bit. And let us click on download. I'm going to save this on desktop too. Click on save. And here my Eclipse zip file is getting downloaded. So let us check what is the next step. Go to the file location where JDK was previously installed and delete that. If you have any JDK folder that is present in your system, you can delete that as well. For example, if you have any Java folder for 32-bit, you can delete that. You don't need two JDK folders in a single system. After this, create a Java folder inside the program files in C drive and transfer the JDK file into this folder. Click on our extracted file, copy the JDK folder from it. Let us go to the C drive program files and then create a Java folder inside which you have to paste the JDK extracted folder, just the way I have done already in my system. So let us go to the next step. Copy the path to the JDK and add this path to the new environment variables. So let us copy the path till JDK and let us go to environment variables. Click on the button environment variables. In system variable, we need to create a new variable. So let us name it as Java Home and paste the path over here. You have to not copy the path till the bin folder, but till the JDK folder and click on OK. Over here you can see that the Java Home variable is added. Let us add the variable to this path variable over here. Click on Edit and click on New. We are going to pass the Java Home parameter into this. along with the bin folder. Click on OK and click on OK. Now we have added our JDK path to the environment variable. Now the next step is to open the CMD and type javac and press enter. This will help us to verify whether Java is installed correctly or not. So let us type CMD over here and type javac command. If you are getting this output, then Java is correctly installed in your system. Let us also check the version that we have installed with this command. And you can see the Java 14 version is installed in our system. Let us check the next step. It is open Eclipse. Over here our Eclipse folder is extracted from the zip file. Let us go into Eclipse and here is our Eclipse exe. Let us double click and open. Click on launch. Now that our Eclipse is opening, let us close it. And before I end this video, I would like to share a few tips. Over here, there is another step, that is the 9th step, which tells you that if error code 1 props up, it means that Java isn't installed. And if error code 13 props up, then the version that you have downloaded for Eclipse and Java is not same. That is 32-bit Java and Eclipse must be 32-bit as well. If you have a 64-bit Java, then you must have a 64-bit Eclipse installed. Also, let us remove the lines from these Eclipse INI and let us add the lines to the Eclipse INI, because just to be safe we are doing this, because Eclipse once opened does not guarantee that it will not show an error message again. So we are going to remove these lines from the Eclipse INI. Over here, just open it. And now you will find these lines. Just remove that. Now that we have removed the lines, let us add some other lines. For that, we need to just open the path to Java WEXE. Let us go to the C drive where our Java is installed. In program files, Java JDK bin, and you will be able to find the Java exe file in this particular bin folder. So let us just copy the path to the bin. We are supposed to paste it about the Eclipse workspace -vm, then the path, and then java w.exe. Just save this Eclipse INI file, close it, go to Eclipse and open your Eclipse exe file. This should start your Eclipse as well. Click on launch. Now that our Eclipse is opening, let us close it. Now that our Java and Eclipse are installed correctly, I will end this video over here. Thank you.